How to delete your YouTube search history. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily clear out your search history on YouTube. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you want to do is tap on the search bar right here, and if you have searched anything, it will show up right here. So for example, let me just search for Mr. Beast. And as you can see here in my recent search bar, it will show up like this. So you can long press on it to delete it. The other thing that you can do is head over to your profile, tap on settings icon like this, and then from here head over to manage all history. It will include your watch history as well as your search history. And once you tap on manage all history, here you have an option to delete your YouTube history. So the first thing you want to do is tap on this delete icon, and you can select a custom range for your deletion. And if you have, you could also find your search history right here. So tap on it, and then you could delete your history from here. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.